Some dogs fear the vacuum, some fear thunder. But this dog? Nah. This dog has beef with the garden hose. Introducing the mixed breed tornado of backyard justice. This battle has no clear winner, just one very wet lawn and an undefeated champion with 4 paws. Look at that spin! Someone signed this pup up for the Olympic sprinkler chase. You can keep your fancy fetch toys. This dog lives for pressure. Water pressure. Warning, no garden hoses were harmed in the making of this video, but the human, soaked. If your dog's ever challenged an inanimate object to a duel, hit that subscribe button.